Hello and welcome. Before I do anything else, I need to apologize. I made an error in my prior video. In that video, I stated that phase 2 of the Rockhopper upgrades was going to be the installation of the 1x crankset, and that phase 3 was going to be the installation of the wide range 9-speed cassette and derailleur. Well, that's not wrong. It's very wrong, because I forgot all about the Rockshox Judy Silver TK air fork. How I could forget about that, I don't know. I guess my mind went wandering and got lost. So, in this video, I'm going to install the Judy. It's a pretty straightforward process. These are not difficult upgrades. They're just kind of time consuming. And I'll be skipping a lot of the drudgery. And, well, I hope that you enjoy this. So there you have it. I put the Judy on with no real issues, no troubles. I did notice that it came with 100 psi in the chamber. Well, that struck me as a bit odd. So I bounced it around a couple of times and equalized the negative and positive chambers. I think that's what they're called. At any rate, it dropped back down to almost nothing. And then I spent a good 20-25 minutes with the shock pump. Now those will get you up to a good high pressure, but it takes forever because they get such a tiny little volume. And yeah, you can try doing this with a floor pump, and all I can say about that is good luck, because it ain't gonna work. There's one issue I have with the company, I guess, not the product. The product is great. I think I'm gonna have a good time with it. But all they gave you in the way of instructions was a little tiny pamphlet of safety instructions. But at least it was in 8 or 9 languages, so you know, there is that. And I went on the website, and there was not an installation manual specific to the Judy. There was one for all the solo air shocks, which this is one of those. It also didn't have any recommended initial settings, so I went with 100 psi, since that's what I did with the RST aerial that I put on my, I don't know why I'm doing this, that I put on my Mongoose XR Pro. Then I spent a few minutes setting the sag, and there are plenty of videos to show you how to do that. I'm not going to bore you with that, T-Dale. I would recommend, if you're interested in that sort of thing, to check out the YouTube channels for Park Tools or GMBN, Global Mountain Biking Network. They have all sorts of helpful stuff for that. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, give me a thumbs up. Seriously, it does help. Below left is a link to the playlist for the Rockhopper, and below right is a link to another video which I think you'll enjoy. And if you have not yet subscribed, please consider doing so. And until next time, be happy, be healthy. Thanks for watching. I really do appreciate it when you do. Bye.